Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the delay accessory relay is located, guys, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. Well, it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the delay accessory relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here, guys. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, which should work for both. You guys have up to 4 different fuse boxes, and today we will be working in 2 of them. The first one is under the hood. Go ahead and open the hood facing the engine. On the right side you have a fuse box under this cover here, open it. Once you guys do that, okay, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now, guys, the delay accessory relay, where you can find it. If you need to buy any relays, fuses, parts, tools at a really good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the delay accessory relay, okay, that we need to find is known as relay number 8. It will be right here. Now if you do not have this one, don't freak out, it could be at a different place. Open the trunk on your Ford Escape. Once you open the trunk facing the car, on the right side you have a cover. Open it, behind it you will find the trunk fuse box. Here, guys, under this cover you will have up to 6 relays. They go like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The delay accessory relay here, guys, will be known as relay number 1. So relay number 1 will be that first relay right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.